This is usually a lot of fun.
Oh, you love it?
Y'all will move back over toward the gate and capture them running in. Oh. One of the newest to the ranch. She was brought here at 7.5 months. She's 22 now. No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, we're gonna wait for a little bit more feed to disappear.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. As long as I can get this one here, the white one. Go ahead and put your hands out. Just the first one at the ranch.
Okay.
And I have plenty of feed here, at least for.
What's this? You're not doing your afraid?
No, I'm not afraid. This one ate already.
Yeah, that's okay. Now
Don't
she uses her hand, her teeth more. This little baby here is pretty gentle,
Oh.
Hi, that's it.
but
That's
even
all I
she
got.
uses her teeth.
That's all I got. Hi. Hi. What? Oh, you want this? I don't have it here. Here, there's a little
Let
bit.
me take these out and you move up to the baby there.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get the white one to eat out of here?
No.
Do that right quick so she can feel what I'm talking about.
Okay. Got the. Oh, you're gentle.
This girl right here.
It's okay.
Ray Walker.
Okay, well, let's give me
Spit.
Do this.
I wanted to picture of you.
Hey, that's my fingers.
Hi. Give me a ball. Hi. Hi. Hi, Munchkin. Wait. Who is this monkey? Who is this monkey? Come on. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Aren't you the cutest thing? Hmm? You're such a good girl. Are you gonna be girl? Such a good girl. Such a good girl. You're gonna be all dirty. You're gonna be all dirty. Hmm? Pearl. Behave, Pearl. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing with my shoe? No. Hey, good girl. Sit, good girl. Sit. Sit. Come on. Come, you should. You're such a bad girl. Let's go over there. Look. No. No, Pearl, come on. Pearl, behave. Ah! Pearl, behave. Hi, are you visiting? Who's there? What? Hi, what are you guys doing here? Hi, you. I don't know you.